Said it feels, it feels like heaven.
Take it to the end, then take it to the floor.
La 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 la. Airport, terminal, security, duty free. This is my regular course. This is my routine. Seat back, upright, buckle up, have a safe flight. These are my conversations. This is how I've been living. And the heat of California don't compare to the feeling that comes over me with the scent of your hair. And the history in NYC don't have history like us. And the distance makes my heart grow fond. I can't wait to feel your touch. And every time I go, I count the days till I can hold your hand. 'Cause I can't wait another minute. I can't wait another minute. And every time I fly, I count the seconds down until I land. 'Cause I can't wait another minute. I can't wait until I'm back on solid ground. I can't wait, can't wait. No, I can't wait, I can't wait. No, I can't wait, I can't wait until I'm back on solid ground. Clouds and mountains, forests and oceans. These are the sights I see, yeah. This is our routine. Single serving, salt and pepper, sugar cream, oh no. I'm ready for my dinner and a movie. And the novelty of London does get old. And it definitely don't compare to the way that you